Our frankincense essential oil comes from 4 different Boswellia species: Boswellia papyrifera, Boswellia sacra, Boswellia carteri, and Boswellia freriana. These regions of the world are some of the hardest areas of the world to access, but also to operate within with these supply chains. But it also provides a tremendous opportunity for us to do good and to help develop and promote and sustain these areas that are so dependent upon the resins from these trees.
There's been, I think, a vast improvement in how harvesters are being treated from my first trip to now. One of the biggest changes is that harvesters are getting paid, and the villages themselves are getting access to a fair share of this business. Not only that, but dōTERRA is working with them on a daily basis to make sure that we're hearing what they want. Not just getting paid for the resin, but they want access to education or to medical attention. dōTERRA is involving itself on those levels.
Our dream is, and always has been, to grow the best and to help the most.